It's a Google Maps trick everyone should know. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Turn Google Maps into a supercharged navigation tool by saving multiple routes. Doing this makes it easier to plan your day driving around town, and it's great when going the distance on your next road trip. Here's how to do it. Number one, open Google Maps on your phone. On the right side of the app, tap the directions icon. Type in the locations for which you want to get directions. Choose your preferred way to get there, such as driving or you're using a bus or a train. And at the bottom of the page, tap the pin option to add the route to your pinned routes list. Now, if you want to view your pinned routes, including the one you just saved, open Google Maps and tap Go at the bottom. In the Go tab, you'll see all your pinned routes. More quick tips at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter.